Hi guys and welcome to another video. My name is Jan Daniel. Today we're going to talk about how to choose the right boat trip for you and your family. The first thing which you should consider is if you're staying in the south side of Tenerife or the north side. If you're staying at the south side, it will be pretty easy for you to participate in one of these boat trips. All the options will be available for you because most of the boats are offering free transport from the hotels in the south of Tenerife any day, and if not, they are very easy to reach with a taxi or by feet. If you're staying in the north side of Tenerife in Puerto de la Cruz, and if you have a car, it will be pretty easy for you to participate in those tours. All the options will be actually available for you because you can reach the harbor just in a 1-hour drive. If you don't have a car during your holidays in Tenerife and are staying in Puerto de la Cruz, there are still some options available for you, not all of them, but some pretty good option is the Royal Dolphin. Another thing which you should consider to choose the right boat trip in Tenerife is how long you want to go on the tour and what activities you want to do during the trip. The 2 hours trip offers you to see the whales and dolphins and then to come back to the harbor. It's the quickest trip, recommendable for people that feel maybe some seasickness after some while, so it's good to do it in a 2 hours tour then. In the 3-hour tours you will see the whales and dolphins, then you will anchor near to the south coast at some nice little bay and you will have time to swim and snorkel, and also will get served some nice fresh drinks and some snacks or food. And in the 4.5-hour tours, on top of everything which I just told you before, you will also go to see the Los Gigantes Cliffs and the Masca Bay. Another important thing to consider is if you want to do a shared boat trip or a private boat charter. It actually makes a lot of sense to make a private boat charter during your holidays in Tenerife if you are going to be in a bigger group, or if you have some special occasion, some special event like a birthday party, some hen-do party, some compromise asking, or if you want just to enjoy a customized experience to your needs. Another important thing to consider is that there are different types of boats. There are catamarans, sailing boats, yachts, motor yachts, rigid inflatable boats, all kinds of boats to do a boat trip in Tenerife. That choice just depends on your personal preferences. So guys, that was the most important factors which you should consider to choose the right boat trip in Tenerife and to make your holidays actually easier. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, let me your comments below here, and see you next time.